Today we're going to tell you how to set the timer on your microwave. Now the timer has nothing to do with the function of the actual cooking of the items inside the microwave. What it is just a timer. So here's how you set your timer. You push timer set, and let's say you want to cook for an hour. You push 1, 0, 0, and it's for 1 hour. Now let's do a different option. Let's say you only want to cook for 1 minute. You push the timer button twice, and 1 minute, and it's 1 minute and 0 seconds. So that's how you do that. And let's do a different scenario. Let's say we want to cook for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So set the timer once, hit it again, 1, 3, 0, and now it's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now let's do something a little bit more complicated. So 1, 3, 0, and now it's set for 1 hour and 30 minutes. To start your timer, you hit the timer again, and you'll see it start to count down. And that is how you use your timer on your microwave.